Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, pupunta tayo ngayon sa Thailand. It's actually my first time going to Thailand, believe it or not. Kahit na ang tagal ko na rin naging cabin crew. I've been to Thailand pero sa airport lang kami pumupunta, but we don't really go down, and I haven't traveled to Thailand ever. Now I'm ready to fly. Okay, now I'm heading to Bangkok.
This is a special announcement.
11:30, finally arrived at the airport. I'm more excited on the food, especially the mango sticky rice. I finally arrived and ito yung una kong nakita, and oh my god, I'm kind of culture shocked, honestly. Oh my goodness, it's literally a crocodile. God, I've tried this. Okay, so this is the first ever food I'm gonna eat in Thailand. I have fried rice and tom yum. I'm getting mango sticky rice. Wow, oh my god. Tape. What is that? Bye-bye. Thank you. Hello, good morning. It's my day 2 of Thailand trip. So yesterday it was just chill. I tried the mango sticky rice. Now I'm going to Wat Arun. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. I'm so sorry. And I just decided that I want to use a motorcycle. And I think it's a bad idea because it's really hot. But I have my sunscreen on me. I'm ready, and it's matchy to my outfit. Everything is pink. Okay. Ooh, I don't know if this is a bad idea. Whatever. Let's go! Yes, I'm here at Grand Hyatt, and hindi ko talaga kinaya. It's so hot outside, so I think I'm gonna chill here for a while. The motorcycle was a bad idea. I think that's okay if your travel time is only 10 minutes to 15 minutes, but I'm so stupid because I forgot that it's actually 1 hour. So lesson learned from me. Guys, it's already 1:20 and I still hindi pa ako maalis because I haven't recovered from the motorcycle experience. So I think I'm gonna stay here for a bit more. Let me show you around. It's just the lobby, but it's very pretty. Nandito na ako. Nandito yung temple na pupuntahan natin, yung nakikita nyo lagi sa Instagram. And I've decided to rent this out because it's so pretty. So rental is 200 Thai baht. Kayo na lang mag-compute how much is that in pesos or in ringgit. But it's so pretty. Look at them. Okay. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I look like a princess. Thank you. So, binihisan nila ako. Oh my god, beautiful. Oh my god, I literally feel like a princess right now. They're so nice. They even like give me a handbag. And they're gonna do my hairs with all these accessories. Then it's so fancy. No hang on. Oh my god, I literally feel like a princess. Nag-rent din ako ng photographer. Hello.
Hello.
So photographer for iPhone 300.
Okay.
40 minutes using iPhone lang, not the usual. Oh, where do I pay for tickets? Okay. You also ticket, no? Okay, so now we're just going to do some photography, and it's only 40 minutes, so I have to be quick.
Okay.
Okay. Late after them.
Hey. Okay.
So ito po yung mga kaganapan dito. Ang daming nagpipicture. kami tapos na rin mag-picture. Ito yung reality. Sobrang pawis na pawis. At ito yung ilan sa mga pictures ko, videos. Ayan, makikita nyo. Super gaganda ng pictures. All thanks to you. What's your name?
My name is Wat Arun.
Wayulu.
Yeah, my
Thank
nickname.
you so much. Pictures, all good. Video, all good. Very, very pretty. So, yeah. Thank you. So, find him if you want to. Yeah. At dahil super init sa labas, hindi pa rin naman ako nagla-lunch. It's already almost 4 p.m. na. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Paragon Mall para kumain at magpalamig. Look at the ambience here. I see a lot in the comments. You guys always look for Eddie. Well, Eddie is in Sabah, in his hometown. And the reason why we don't travel together is because he doesn't want to travel. So he don't want to travel at the moment. He has some personal problems and I'm not sure if he's comfortable sharing it with you. Maybe when he's ready to share, then we'll share it with you. At the moment, I'm just giving him a lot of space and a lot of time for himself. Baligtad yung straw. Ooh, that's so fresh. Oh my god, thank you. This is the best. Ang ganda nito. I think this is the prettiest mango sticker rice I've ever seen in my life. I know wala pa yung food, yung rice, pero can I start with dessert? Dessert na lang muna yung unahin ko kasi super ganda niya. And okay, those who are from Thailand, please don't hate me. I don't know how to properly eat this. I don't know where to pour the milk actually. Maybe here. Whoa. Can you see that? Mangga muna. Ooh, medyo maasim. Tapos sa rice na ilalagay. Medyo maasim yung mangga. Let's try this. When you combine it, it's okay. It's much better. But if you're just gonna eat the mango alone, you can taste that it's a bit sour. Oh, okay. There. The country is not scary at all. I personally think Philippines is still more scary. Like when I'm in an e-hailing ride, kinakabahan ako. I always lock my door. Well, I do lock my door here, but I just feel so unsafe when I'm in the Philippines. If in Philippines, the unsafe levelness na nararamdaman ko is around 10 out of 10. In Thailand, it's around 8 out of 10. So, ganun yung feeling. Parang feeling ko, not because the weed is legalized. The people here are so nice. They don't even look at me. They don't catcall. They don't care. We call it like they don't chow. They don't disturb you at all. I've been like alone all this while, but no one's disturbing me. Everyone is very polite. The service is amazing. Well, they don't speak English very much, and language barrier is kind of like a problem, but it's okay. We can always use Google Translate. Tastes like Filipino spaghetti. It's a bit sweet. So when I went out, they have like a celebration outside. I don't know what event is this, but I just saw a lot of SpongeBob characters. So cool. Guys, she looks a bit scary. Parang totoo talaga. Randomly, nag-book naman ako ng massage. Kasi syempre, meron tinatawag na Thai massage. I want to experience that. Ano ba yung Thai massage? And then may nakita akong dragon po. It's a Guys, I'm going to wax my eyebrows and it's 100 Thai baht. It's kind of cheap actually. So there. Magpapamassage din ako because I deserve it. My eyebrows is done. Now it's time for massage. Full body massage. Oh my god, the massage was so bad. not so bad naman. Naiiya lang kami magsabi kasi syempre they're older than us, right? So we're kind of shy to tell them na don't put too much oil and all that. And then nagkaka-scratch na ako because of the nails nung nagmamassage sa akin. So I think I'll give it 4 out of 10. And now we are here at Best Pad Thai. I ordered some pork, ano to? Parang kinilaw, and fried rice. And it's a little bit spicy.
Yeah, okay. 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.
Day 3 of my Bangkok trip, and I've learned my lesson yesterday. It was so hot. So now look what I'm wearing. Just wearing a bikini. I woke up quite late. I woke up like around 10 a.m. So now it's already 11 a.m. And I just decided like at this very moment that I want to go to Safari World. I was supposed to go to Phuket, but I've missed the flight, the 7 a.m. flight. I am now here at Safari World and grabe, I can't believe na wala silang cage. It's so awesome. Let me show you. Wala silang kulungan at all. It's just open. Well, this just means na yung mga animals dito is well taken care of. Ayan o. Wow. Then I finally saw. Ayan na siya. This is the one that I saw on TikTok. It's been so famous. And look.
Good job.
Nila.
Hot.
Cute.
Kiss. Smile.ยิ้มนอนกล้ามจุ๊บยิ้มเน่โอเคเลยนะนอนเอว yes มานอนยิ้มจับมือเช็คแฮนด์ kiss hand กอด I love you จุ๊บจุดแกยืนเล็กอัพสมายยิ้มนอนซิดพักแก้ม
I can follow
ยิ้มมา
your handโอเค good มันต้องตามใจพุ่นจะกลับหน่อยครับ
ยิ้มมาจุ๊บสมายนอนGood job. Okay. Stand up, please. Pose. รับเอว ยิ้ม
wait คิวไล่
ไปแฮร์รี่โอ้ยมาจุ๊บลิ้นโอเค thank you ขอบคุณครับ
Yun na yung experience ko with, oh my god, mabigat siya. Tapos kumikis talaga siya. Pero nung una parang medyo kinakabahan ako kasi ang dami kong napapanood na mga animals na nagwawala na out of control, ganun. So medyo ingat ako and then alert talaga. So ayun, okay naman. It was so fun.
Kiss. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, ano kaya ito? Let's see. Whoa! Oh my god! Nandito ako ngayon sa dolphin show. Guess what? Sino mga kasama ko? Ako lang nata nag-iisang foreigner. Puro mga bata. Silang parang field trip na tinatawag. Kaya super daming bata dito. Tiniming ko talaga na tapos na yung mga events, big events dito sa Thailand, which is the Rolling Loud, and then yung ano pa ba, Songkran and all that. Kaya kikita nyo walang tao. See? Always kung tina-timing na natapos na yung events or hindi Holy Week, Christmas, or big events, or walang special holiday dun sa country na pupuntahan ko, para sure na solo ko lang yung place. Dalawa na sila. Okay, wait. Wait lang, one by one. Dami nila sa baba. Wait, yung kainin. Guys, pakainin natin yung mga camel. One more carrot. Guys, magpapakain naman tayo ng mga elephants at sobrang open lang sila. Parang hindi naman sila masyadong nilalak dito, kaya good. Plants here look so healthy. Hello.
Only hand. Red hand.
Wait.
Sorry. Okay.
How hand? Okay.
ไม่กวักมาเลย
So yun naman, magpapakain tayo ng mga giraffe. Naghihintay na sila sa akin. I'm coming. You want some? So, wow. Ay, sorry. Ganyan ako kalapit. Ayoko hawakan, baka magwala. Hello! Ay, taray niya. Pak. Gahay ka sa vlog. Guys, ito na yung last tiger. Bang may mga naglalakad na tiger sa likod ko. I think dito ko na tatapusin yung vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please do subscribe on my channel and hit the notification bell button so that you will be updated on my next vlog. Bye!